Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to install an odometer blocker on a Nissan X-Trail. Don't worry, it's a simple installation that you can easily do yourself. Let's dive right in. First, we need to remove the plastic cover from the speedometer. It's held in place by clips, so it's straightforward to take off. Once the cover is off, you'll see the speedometer is secured with 3 screws. Remove these screws and you can take out the speedometer. Behind the speedometer, you'll find the main system cable. This is where we'll connect our odometer blocker. It's a simple plug-and-play process using the original plugs. That's it. The odometer blocker is now installed. Next, we'll move on to activation and a test drive. After installation, the device activates automatically. As you can see, the odometer isn't counting any mileage. To deactivate or reactivate the blocker, simply lift the headlight lever 5 times. See? The odometer starts counting mileage again. Now activate again with the same combination. And now, it's stopped counting once more. Pretty cool, right? If you pull the high beam lever 15 times within 10 seconds, the software on the blocker is destroyed and can never be activated again. Here I want to tell you one important thing. This device, which is installed behind the speedometer, may no longer be removed. If this device is removed and the speedometer is reconnected to the original plug, the speedometer will synchronize with the ABS, and the complete stopped kilometers will jump back up. It is therefore always recommended to unsolder the circuit board from the super kilometer filter with the original connectors and solder it into the cable harness that comes from the car to the speedometer so that you never run the risk of this intermediate piece being disconnected. If the soldering installation is not clear to you, the company will send you a PDF file that will describe the entire installation process in detail. For more information or to purchase this device for your specific vehicle, visit superkilometerfilter.com. They offer blockers for over 300 car brands. Thanks for watching, everyone.